In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log water on MyFitnessPal, a crucial habit if you're looking to keep track of your daily hydration goals. Getting into the routine of logging your water intake is not only good for your health, but it's also quite simple with the MyFitnessPal app. Whether you're using this app for fitness, weight loss, or just leading a healthier lifestyle, knowing how to effectively use its features is always beneficial. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, unlock your smartphone and locate the MyFitnessPal app. Tap on the app icon to open it. Once it's up and running, you'll need to log into your account. On the main screen, you'll see an option that says Login, so go ahead and click on that. If you haven't already logged in, or if you're logged out, this is where you'll sign back in to gain access to all of the app's features. Now, you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Take a moment to carefully type in your credentials. It's important to ensure that both your email and password are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've typed them in, you're ready to move on, so click on Login. After logging in, you'll be directed to the MyFitnessPal dashboard. This is your main control center where you can access all kinds of data relating to your health and fitness journey. From here, look around to find the Diary tab. Click on it when you find it, and it will take you to another screen. As you scroll down through the diary, you'll eventually find an option that says Add Water. This is where we can start logging today's water intake. Click on Add Water. Once there, you'll see several options for different volumes. These are usually preset measured amounts to make it easy for you to log your intake quickly. Find the plus sign next to your chosen volume. When you click on that plus sign, the app automatically adds this volume to your daily water intake log. At this point, you've done the hard part. All that remains is to save your entry to ensure everything is recorded for the day. So go ahead and hit the Save button. This will confirm your addition and make sure it is counted towards your daily goal. And there you have it. Your water intake is now logged in MyFitnessPal. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and are now able to effortlessly log your water intake using MyFitnessPal. Remember, staying hydrated is vital, and using tools like this helps you maintain that healthy habit. Thanks for watching, and happy hydration.